name is Kanal Yagarus. Kanal is my nickname, like artistic name. My given name is Zhang Tongyu. I grew up in Macau. My father, he is a painter. So in the family we have 4 children. I'm the eldest one. We all start to have the training to paint by my father when we were very, very little. In every country you live, the culture is very different and the people, they behave differently. And the things you see and the environment you are, they just influence you in a very spontaneous way. But I mean the mixture, the feeling that you have is already very strong. Yeah, when the people they look at my work, they can feel that strongly. This is not pure Chinese work. Let's say, put it that way. This is always very exciting when you've been working non-stop, days and nights. I barely go out for many weeks. Then this is the time that now it's like the ultimate moment. You are receiving your judgment. Judge me.
You are welcome to Gallery Uusitalo, Helsinki, Finland. I hope you enjoy Kanal Jägerus exhibition with us.
Hi, my name is Kanal Jägerus. I'm a Chinese from Macau. This is my exhibition in Uusitalo, Helsinki. Welcome.
Monikerroksisia nämä maalaukset, että näitä, kun mitä pitempään näitä katsoo, niin sen useampia asioita täältä löytyy, että todella hieno näyttely, hieno kokemus
Ja itse tämä taide, niin tämä on hyvin mielenkiintoista. Minä en pysty vertaamaan tätä mihinkään tuntemaani suomalaiseen taiteilijaan.
But it's very exciting to see how it's in Finland, because it's something completely out of Finnish art share. And I like them very much, of course, because knowing where they are coming, but let's see what Finland will say.
There are a lot of little details and a lot of different layers, so they're very interesting, and I could really well imagine having one in my own home.
No niin, haluan sanoa ensinnäkin kiitokset taiteilijalle, thanks to the artist. Nämä on aivan fantastisia töitä. Todella tuntuu, että näissä näkyy tämä vanha kiinalainen filosofia ja jotain kiinalaista pohjaa kaikissa. Ja sitten nämä erilaiset sommitelmat ja värien käyttö ja tällaiset kokonaisuudet, joita tässä on esitettynä ja kerättynä. Että aina 3 tai 4, 5 taulua muodostaa yhden tällaisen upean kokonaisuuden ja sitten ne vielä leikittelee erilaisilla väreillä, niin on todella hieno kokonaisuus. Toivotan onnea ja menestystä.
This is excellent, and these paintings really have inside worlds. Those are great and very unique to my mind.